Okay, we're still in exercise 68, and we're on to problem number 4 now. Again, I'm going to say it again. If you can do the problem on your own with a piece of paper and pencil, and you get an answer, and you check it with the answer key, and you feel satisfied that you agree with what I'm doing, that's fine. For the students that need someone to go to a whiteboard, like a teacher, and there's no teacher available to do it for them, I'll do it at the whiteboard for you. And that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm done with this document, and I'm going to go back to my note, and I'm going to do problem number 4, and we're still in exercise 68. All right, so one thing I do, and I realize that I'm always saying you shouldn't be doing this, I'm just going to copy the problem down. All right, so it's a system of equations, and the first equation is x plus y times x plus z equals 14. And the second equation is y plus z, y plus x is equal to 2. And the next equation is z plus x. Let's see, z plus y, and that is equal to 7. And, there's many things you could do. And I'm going to say one thing you could do. You could try divisions, additions, multiplications. You could simplify the size. Here's some eliminations you could do. But I'm starting to notice, again, it looks similar, that I'm seeing this x plus y in 2 different places. I'm seeing x plus z in 2 different places, and y plus z in 2 different places. So I'm going to multiply it out. And what are you going to get? You would get x plus y squared, x plus z squared, and then what else you would get? Again, I did the x plus y, I did the x plus z, y plus z. And what does it equal? Well, it equals 14 times 2 times 7. All right? So, let me just, I guess I got to simplify a little tiny bit, right? So x plus y squared, x plus z squared, and y plus z squared. Well, I'm going to write this as, let's see. I guess I could write down 2 squared times 7 squared. And I got a problem over here, and I got to make sure I understand the problem. And so I'm going to say that, I'm using the square root rule, and this is going to be x plus y, x plus z, y plus z is going to be equal to plus or minus 2 times 7, which is 14. All right? And again, this may be of no assistance whatsoever to me, but at least I got something down. All right? And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do something. Oh, it looks like the substitution again, just like we did before. All right? But I really have 2 different problems to figure out over here. So it's x plus y, x plus z, y plus z equals 14. And the other one is going to be x plus y, x plus z, y plus z equals minus 14. Right, so I'm going to look at the first equation. And the first equation says, this one over here, x and y, x plus y, and x plus z is 14. All right, so what does that mean? It means y plus z must be 1. Now, what does this one say over here if I did this? This would mean y plus z equals minus 1. That's not so bad. Let's keep going. Let's do the next one. And what's the next one say? Y plus z. Again, I'm looking at this. Y plus z and y plus x. So now I know x plus z. Again, I want to point out it's 2, so that would be 7, right? 2 times 7 is 14. What do I get over here? Well, it's likewise x plus z equals minus 7. Let's keep going. Let's do the next one. What's the next one going to be? Well, the next one, I'm looking at this guy over here, and certainly I'm seeing, z plus x, and I'm seeing z plus y. So that means x plus y. Well, that's 7. Well, that'd be 2, right? I'm going to put this over here. x plus y equals minus 2. And herein lies the problem now. You always take a road and say, what am I going to do now? Well, I got a lot of things to do, don't I? And let me take a look. And let's look at this guy first. And let's see if we can do that. And I got to do something, right? Well, I take the first two equations, add them together. Or subtract them, I should say. So first two equations, subtract them. I'm just working with this guy over here. And if I take the first two equations and subtract them, so I'm going to say 7 minus 1 is 6. Again, I'm just taking the first two. And let's see, z minus z is nothing. And then it's going to be x minus y. And then I look at the third equation. The third equation says x plus y is equal to 2. And then I got to add these two together, and I would get 2x is equal to 8, or x is equal to 4. And now I can start plowing my way forward to getting another answer. So I'm going to say I want to know what y is, and I want to know what z is. And let's take a look. So if x is 4, and again, I'm looking at the system up here. I'm looking at this system. If x is 4, what would y be? Well, 4 plus what would give you 2? Y would have to be minus 2. Now, if x is 4, what would z be? Z would have to be 3. So I found a triplet. I'll write that down for you. 4, minus 2, and 3. Again, we'll look at the key later. And again, I'm looking at this system over here, and what I'm going to do is, I don't know, I guess really the same thing probably. And I'm going to look at the first two equations, and I'm going to take y plus z equals minus 1 and subtract away x plus z equals minus 7. And what would you get? You would get, let's see, y minus x, z's would disappear, equals 6. All right? And then, I'll write the third equation down, which is pretty easy. It's x plus y equals minus 2. And if you add those together, what would you get? You would get 2y is equal to 4, or y is equal to 2. Well, you know what? Let me write this down now. X, y, z. And I found a y to be 2. Let me go back over here. If y is 2, x would be minus 4. You may wonder where I'm getting this from. I'm just looking backwards at it. And again, if y is 2, x would be minus 4. All right, what's z going to be? I got to go somewhere to do it. And I guess, kind of look over here. So if y is 2, z would be minus 3. Let's write that triplet down. And that's going to be minus 4. Let's see, 2 and minus 3. I'll put a box on it. Now, I always say that, sometimes I'm working a problem, I do make mistakes, and I'm looking at my answer key, and, 4 minus 2, 3, and minus 4, 2, minus 3. Again, I want to remind anyone who thinks that something's amiss and they have a better way of doing something, or they want to share an idea with me, please do so. My name is Ron. My last name is Bannon. And my email address is B as in boy, the @ NNON.US. Again, thank you for paying attention.